we conducted a structured interview focusing on a student's personal savings and spending habits. Instead of interviewing only one respondent, we interviewed each other and shared our own financial experiences, challenges, and insights. Through this activity, we were able to apply financial management concepts such as budgeting, savings, and prioritizing expenses in real-life situations, while also reflecting on how we can improve our own money management practices.
Good day, Kiara. I hope you're doing well. So I would like you to interview about some questions regarding my academic requirements. And then this will only take a short minute of your time.
Okay, I will gladly answer your questions.
Okay, thank you. So my first question is, do you have a part-time job or any source of extra income?
No, I don't have part-time job. My money is purely from my allowance given by my parents.
So next, what are your common weekly expenses like food, fare, and school supplies?
My common weekly expenses are food and transportation fare, but food takes the biggest part.
Do you set aside money for savings every month?
Yes, I try to save a small amount every month, even if it's not that big for emergency purposes.
So for my last question, what do you prioritize first when you receive your allowance?
I prioritized my daily expenses first before anything else.
Okay, that's very mindful of you for always prioritizing your daily expenses. So thank you so much for your time. Your answers to my questions is surely a big help for my academic requirements. So thank you, Kiara.
Good day, Kishin. I hope you're doing well. I would like to ask if I can interview you briefly for my school requirement. It will take a few minutes of your time.
Okay, I would gladly answer all your questions with all honesty.
So for my first question, is your income enough for your monthly needs?
Not always. It's usually enough for basic needs like food and transportation, but sometimes it's tight.
Do you track or list your monthly expenses?
Not in a very detailed way, but I try to mentally budget my allowance to avoid overspending.
Do you have a savings goal?
Yes, I try to save a small amount for emergencies and school-related expenses.
That's good. What do you do when your money is not enough for your expenses?
Usually, I reduce my spending, avoid unnecessary purchases, or sometimes I ask extra money from my family.
So thank you, Kishin, for sharing your ideas. I really appreciate your time.
Yeah, thank you for your questions too.
My reflection about my interview, I learned that Kiara relies fully on parental allowance, which makes budgeting very important. Since most of the money goes to basic needs like food and transportation, careful spending is necessary. Even with limited income, Kiara still tries to save a small amount, showing financial discipline and responsibility. Prioritizing daily expenses first reflects practical decision-making and an understanding of needs over wants. Overall, it highlights the challenges and importance of managing limited resources wisely as a college student.
From Kishin's answers, I learned that managing money wisely is possible even when income is limited. Her approach of mentally tracking expenses, savings for emergency, and prioritizing needs shows responsibility and foresight. I realized that being flexible, like adjusting spending and seeking support when necessary, is important for handling financial challenges effectively.